This role play is a classroom scenario where a teacher is guiding her students through a morning routine with the assistance of an AI talker named Nova. Nova is an artificial intelligence designed to aid the student in various tasks during class hours.
Class, good morning. So today we're going to practice our morning routine with Nova's assistant. So let's get started. Hey Nova, can you help us practice our morning routine today?
Good morning everyone. I am happy to assist with your morning routine. Who needs help waking up?
Okay, Nova, could you tell me what time it is?
It's 7 a.m. Time to start your day.
Nova, can you remind us of our classroom rules and expectations?
Let's review our classroom rules. Respect each other, listen actively, and raise your hand to speak. Let's work together to create a positive and supportive learning environment.
Nova, can you give us the weather forecast for today?
Sure. Today's forecast shows partly cloudy skies with a high of 75° Fahrenheit. Perfect weather for a fun-filled day.
Nova, can you remind me of your schedule for today?
Sure, let me check. Yes, you have a math test at 10 a.m. and a science project due at 2 p.m.
Nova, can you play some music to wake us up?
Upbeat morning playlist now playing. Sing along and get energized for the day ahead.
Nova, can you give us a quick news update?
For our weather update, 3 weather systems are bringing rains across the country, affecting areas such as Visayas, Mimaropa, Bicol Region, Northern Mindanao, Caraga, Zamboanga Peninsula, Quezon, and Davao Oriental. For our politics, the Commission of Election (COMELEC) has required all survey companies to register and submit comprehensive reports of all their surveys.
Excellent work, class. I'm impressed with how you incorporated Nova in your morning routine. Let's keep up the good work.
Thank you, Nova.
The role play showcases how AI can be integrated into daily classroom routine to enhance student engagement, productivity, and learning. It also highlights the importance of teacher guidance and supervision, ensuring that technology is used effectively and responsibly in a classroom.
Good morning, ma'am. I am Richard Betic as AI talker. I am Ana Lucy Palayugdog as student. I am Guru Emil Los Angeles as a student.
I'm Laiguni Valverde as a teacher.
I am Emerson John Gulliena as a student.
I am Rico Cabao as a student.
I am Jerry Polka as a student. I am Janet Kangay as a student. I am Maxil Sibay as a student.